Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute or increase a music volume for Apex Legends on Android. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our settings. From here, move to the graphics and audio. Here you can see the audio tab. Click on it, and right here you'll be able to see background music. So in order to mute it entirely, simply click on this button switch right here. If you want to enable it again, click on it again. And here you can either increase the volume to the maximum 100% or decrease it like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.